Hello, so my name is Ben Green. I'm one of the co-founders of OptimizeIS. We're the Airtable Partner of the Year. We're an Airtable Services Partner. All we do every day is build things in Airtable. We work with a lot of the largest brands. Specifically, what I'm going to be demoing in this example is using AI against a workback schedule in Airtable. So I have just some demo data populated in here. What I'm going to be going through is this fall 2025 global launch. So there's already a lot of data in here, and there's going to be two specific areas that I'm going to be showing how AI can be used to transform the way you manage workback schedules. So let's say you're doing this campaign for fall 2025 global launch. It's set for this launch date, this start date. We have these different tasks down here that these tasks need to be done. They have certain dependencies. There's start dates, due dates for those. Airtable can calculate the number of days for each task and can consider the dependencies as well. So what I'm going to be showing is specifically an AI field and then also ask Airtable AI. So the first thing that you can do with workback schedules using AI is this highlights risks and improvement areas. So this field summarizes all of these different tasks down here. It looks at who's the owner of that task, which team, what type of task is it, and how many days is that team given to do that task. And it will look and try to, based on what has worked well on other projects, it will consider, is there a risk? Meaning, like maybe for a legal approval, 6 days is not enough. Or it will look and see maybe there's an area for improvement. For example, maybe the shoot hero task gives 28 days. Maybe that is an area for improvement because that takes too long. Or like typically we accomplish that task in less than that number of days. So this is just a way to highlight, here's some of the specific tasks. And this is something where as you change the data, it's going to provide you this on an ongoing basis. So let's try changing shoot hero. Let's move this date up to 9/1. It's now going to let us refresh this. So I've made this an even more compressed deadline for that one, so it should highlight that one still. So now it's suggesting that one could be streamline. This is a way where you can basically give it some prompts and you can say, here's what our normal workback schedule looks like. Consider the size of this launch and consider our template for launches and have it grade basically on a scoring system and highlight different risks or areas for improvement. The other way is using the Airtable Assistant, and this is a much more, how do I say this? The AI Assistant can handle much more random questions. So as you have a question you're wanting to improve the workback schedule, or you have a specific question about the workback schedule, you can just ask it a question. So let's say, what is the number one way to shorten the for this campaign? So you can just ask it a question, and this AI assistant, it's currently in beta, but basically this looks at all of the data in the entire database, and it's going to go into each table in the table and figure out what table does this question relate to. Going to go get contextual data about that specific campaign, and then it will start answering the question. So you can see it's researching the projects table for that campaign detail, and then it's going to analyze the data and hopefully give us a good result. But this is a way where you can ask a very bespoke question, maybe have specific questions on different areas of the workback schedule, and AI can highlight those areas. So here it's giving some similar things. So are there, so you can ask follow-ups. So you can say just automatically, what are the key risks identified in the current projects? This is now going to go look at all of the projects and answer that question for you. The other thing that this can do is it gives kind of hyperlinks where you can click in and you can actually see which tasks is this talking about. So you can see here it's highlighting localized messaging, and you can see that's this task right here. But it basically gives like, here's the notes related to that task. And you also should be able to click in here. So if you were not on the right interface page, it would take you to the right interface page. I'm going to switch back to grid. So here it's still giving us context as to this specific project, and it's giving us more details. So you could keep asking it follow-ups, or you could give it more specific questions about how to improve specific areas for the work back schedule. So if you wanted to ask about specific owners, like what's the average for specific owners for a number of days of tasks, or could we overlap multiple of these different owners on specific tasks, like their tasks are on top of each other, that is an option. But this AI assistant will look at not only the work back schedule, but all of the data related to the project and give you a really tailored answer. So these are just two different areas on how AI can help you eliminate the guesswork in your marketing operations and really enhance your ability to plan your work back schedule in Airtable. If you're interested in talking about this live, or you want to see a more tailored demo, feel free to just let me know. I'm happy to walk you through it live or schedule a call. Thank you.